This video is just to show you how to use Corbett Maths worksheets successfully. So when you open up a Corbett Maths worksheet, they're all set out in a similar way to this one. This one is on expanding brackets, as it says in the title up at the top, but yours could be on any other topic. There's always plenty of questions to give you opportunity to practice, develop and perfect your techniques for each topic. If I scroll down, there's plenty of questions all on expanding brackets on this worksheet, but what's really important is that each of those individual questions approaches the technique in a different way and allows you opportunity to develop your skills. So your teacher may require you to complete all the questions, or they may only ask you to do some specific questions. The full details will be on Show My Homework, so make sure you read that carefully. So when you're doing your work, you should always write things out just as you would do as if you were in a maths lesson, doing it really clearly and showing each step of the working. Each worksheet always starts with a video tutorial that will explain how to do that, how to set it out properly and the way that you should be doing the work. Now you can always access that video tutorial either by scanning the QR code with your phone, so this QR code here, or by clicking the play button here. So if I show you what will happen if I click the play button, it will open up my web browser and it will take me to a video, a Corbett Maths video, which I can watch, which will show me exactly how to learn the skills and complete the questions on my worksheet. So once I've watched that, I go back to the worksheet, and once you've gone through it all, once you've done the questions that you've been asked to do, if you scroll to the bottom, there will be further links that will take you to the answers for you to be able to mark your work. So again, you can either access the answers by scanning this QR code at the bottom, so using your phone to scan the QR code, or by clicking the tick and cross. So if I show you what happens there, if I click the tick and cross, you need to click it again, so you need to click where it says click here for answers, and once you do that, the answers all come up very clear. So you can mark your work, and any that you've got wrong, hopefully you can have a look at them again and see if there's a way that you can work out how to make them correct. And if you're still really stuck, then you can always email your teacher, who will of course help you in more detail on the particular topic that you're working on. I hope that all makes sense.